list of top 10 best Turkish drama series about revenge. There's a reason why there are so many Turkish dramas in the revenge genre. It's because we can't get enough of them. Sometimes watching sweet justice being served is one of the most satisfying feelings in the world. Watching our protagonist struggle to move on from a tragedy and watching as they take steps towards getting their hard-earned revenge, here are some of the best revenge-based Turkish drama series that you must watch. Number 10. Black Pearl. In Black Pearl TV series story, you'll watch a pure love of Hazal and Kenan, whose destinies are not written together. Kenan is a young man who works as a fisherman. He wants to spend all his life together with his lover Hazal and tries to do his best to make her happy, but Hazal's stepfather does not want Hazal to get married to a miserable fisherman having low living standards. The life of Kenan and Hazal turns upside down with the arrival of Fural. Number 9. Bitter Life. In Bitter Life TV series story, you'll explore a tragic love story of Mehmet and Nermeen. Mehmet is a poor guy who is desperately in love with Nermeen from his neighborhood. He works as a welder in a shipyard while Nermeen is a manicurist in one of the well-known coiffures. On the other hand, Mehmet becomes very devastated when Nermeen loves another man. He promises to seek revenge on the man who steals his girlfriend. Number 8. Forbidden Love. In Forbidden Love TV series story, which is based on the work of the foremost Turkish author Halit Ziya, you will explore a secret love affair full of twists and surprises. The lead protagonist, Beater, is a young, beautiful woman who blames her mother, Firdaus, for the death of her father, while her mother was planning to marry Adnan Zyagil, a rich widower. Adnan proposes to Beater instead of her mother. Beater attempts to endear herself to Adnan's 2 children. Number 7. Gonal TV series. In Gonal TV series story, you'll explore the story of a young Gonal who loses her memory by the car accident. Gonal was raised in an orphanage but uses her discipline and determination to become a successful surgical nurse. She falls in love with Taken, a top surgeon with his own traumatic past who appears to need Gonal's love and support. On the day of their wedding, an ex-girlfriend from Taken's past shows up and tells Gonal some disturbing secrets about Taken. When the ex-girlfriend is found dead a few days later, Gonal starts to understand that Taken is a very dangerous man. Number 6. The Pit. If you are finding a Turkish series with lots of thrill, action and romance in one drama, then Çukur or The Pit should be your preference to watch. In The Pit TV series story, you will watch how Yılmaz reluctantly joins the mafia and becomes involved in the inevitable cycle of violence and betrayal. This series is the story of 2 worlds that evolve in parallel. First, they advance independently of each other, then an event makes them cross each other, and finally one of the 2 universes will swallow the other. Number 5. A Love Story. In a love story TV series story, you'll explore pure love, romance, mother-son relations, hope, anger, conflict, and betrayal at the same time. Korkut Ali is a young and handsome guy who has a poor life in Germany. He is not a fortnight during all his life. He was abandoned by his parents as a child and was adopted by a couple in Germany. However, he was left alone by his foster family. Selan, on the other hand, is a beautiful and native young girl who lives in Istanbul, Turkey. Number 4. Matter of Respect. In this story, you'll explore the life of 2 brothers, Yiğit and Amir, who want to take revenge of their family from underworld in Istanbul. Yiğit is a smart and ambitious guy and a handsome womanizer who has courage even though he has no education. Amir is the opposite of his brother. He is a shy and introverted guy who has recently finished the law school. 2 brothers' lives also cross when they fall in love with the same woman, Sibel, who is the most beautiful girl in the neighborhood. And the story becomes complicated when Yiğit starts to use Kubra as part of his father's revenge plan. Number 3. Tales of Innocence. In Tales of Innocence TV series story, you'll explore the story of a young woman who sacrifices her own life and takes the blame of the hit-and-run accident even though her boyfriend has made the accident. A car accident transforms 3 people's lives, drawing them into a triangle of love, lies and revenge that threatens to destroy them unless love can overcome hate. A car accident on a rain-soaked road transforms 3 people's lives, drawing them into a triangle of love, ambition, and revenge. Number 2. Bride of Istanbul. In Bride of Istanbul TV series story, you'll explore a true love story between Farooq and Suhaila that has to pass examinations, from strong mother-in-law, sneaky sister-in-law, and differences due to the big city-small city conflict. Suraya, a young and beautiful singer, involves to the life of rooted Buran family of Bursa as a wife of the oldest son Farooq, and all the family secrets begins to uncover. Farooq is the owner of a bus company and the leader of a powerful family in Bursa, which is metropole in Turkey. Number 1. Winter's Son. In this story, you'll explore a wonderful detective story with a psychological twist. Efe becomes a victim of a murder that was accompanied by an accident with his father. Efe, who lost his memory in a car accident. Years later, Efe, who learns that he is the son of a wealthy family, communicates with his twin brother Mati. But the people who learn that Efe lives are going after Efe to finish the half-finished job. But instead of Efe, they shoot his twin brother Mete. Efe tries to replace Mati and take revenge on both his father and his twin brother. That's it for this video. Hope to see you back soon for more. Thank you so much for watching.